In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Typeform. This step-by-step guide will help you build a professional form quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to the Typeform website. Once the homepage loads, click on the Login button located in the top right corner. Now sign into your account using your email address, Google account, or Microsoft account. After logging in, click on the Create New Typeform button. You'll now see several options for creating your form. You can start from scratch, import questions from Google Forms, use AI to generate a form. For this tutorial, choose Start from Scratch. Next, begin adding questions to your form. Typeform offers different question types including multiple choice, short text, long text, yes or no, rating, picture choice. Select the question type you want, then type your question and possible answers. Once your questions are added, you can customize the appearance of your form. Click on the Design tab to change colors, fonts, backgrounds, and themes. This helps make your form look more professional and match your personal style or brand. After customizing the design, go to the Settings tab. Here you can configure options like required questions, multiple selections, randomized answers, adding an other option, question alignment. When everything looks good, click on Preview to test your form. Make sure the questions and layout work correctly. Finally, go to the Share tab. From here, you can copy your form link, share it on social media, send it by email, or embed it on a website. And that's it. You've successfully created a form in Typeform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and online tool guides.